Hi, good morning. Hi, everyone. This is Prabhakaran. Okay, so I would like to introduce myself. I have 16 plus years of experience in IT field in different technologies. But okay, I thought, okay, why don't we share our experience, what we learned in our career, right? So I'm very much interested with Microsoft Excel. Okay, so as a first concept, this is my first video I'm posting in YouTube. So I thought something should be reached to other people who are looking for Excel help, right? So as a first concept, I'm going to explain what is VLOOKUP, right? So if you see, most of the time in IT companies or any companies, when they are doing some reports, right? So most of them pronouncing that VLOOKUP. Then what is VLOOKUP? Okay, I'll tell you. If you take, this is the requirement, the what you are looking for is employee details I'm looking for. Okay, so when I put the employee number, I would like to see what is his name and what is his skill set. Let us assume I'm a HR person. Okay, I wanted to see whether which member is having what technology skill set. Okay, so I want to do this. This is my requirement, right? And I have raw data. This is just example data. Maybe I have employee number, employee name, and a skill set. So this is my raw data. Using this sheet, how can I retrieve the respective information of this employee number? Okay, fine. Let us. I already returned this formula here. Okay, let me remove that. Then I'll show you once again how am I writing this formula. Yeah. Okay. Just type start with equal any formula in Excel, right? So we need to start with Excel. Then slowly start type VLOOKUP. It will be prompting the formula VLOOKUP, and you put tab. Then it will be filled automatically. Then so if you read out here, there's a lookup value. This formula will show you the syntax, which will be useful for you. On your own, you can write down the formula. So the first value is a lookup value. Lookup value is nothing but the search value. What are you going to search? I am searching here employee number. Based on the employee number, I would like to retrieve the employee name and skill set. Comma. The next syntax is table array. Table array is nothing but the range where you are looking for a value of your search number or search value and the respective values. You understand, right? So my range of value where I'm looking for is in my employee sheet. I'm going to employee sheet. Okay, I'm just selecting the raw values, raw data. So we need to make sure the value which you are looking for is employee number. So you may need to start the table array from employee number. So I'm just selecting the A column and slowly I'm dragging wherever the required fields which I am looking for, I have to choose it. Okay, I have chosen. So if you see, if you note down here, it has selected employee sheet and A column to C column. I have selected. Then put comma. The next syntax is column index number. Okay, right? So in our report sheet, I'm looking for the employee name based on the number which I entered in employee number column. So from employee number to employee name, this is second column, right? This is second column. So put 2 comma 0. 0 is nothing but your value is matching, then it will return. I'm just putting parenthesis closed, enter. So you got your employee name for this employee number. So you got right. So how did I write down the, so E12 is my search value, and this is the value where am I looking for, which is the range, and from employee number the employee name column is second column, and 0 is nothing but the matching value. Similarly, if you come to the third column, skill set, if you see again search value is employee number, this one 100, and employee sheet is my range value, and the third column is talking about skill set. So from employee number, the skill set column is third column. If you note down here, it will show you the third C, 3C, right? Which is nothing but third column. So that's why here I put third column 3 comma 0. So now when you enter some employee number, like let us say I'm just entering 50, right? So when you enter 50, see the respective employee name and the respective skill set is visible now. So, okay, this is about the VLOOKUP. I hope it would be useful for you guys. And VLOOKUP is nothing but vertical lookup. So vertical is nothing but this is the column we call it as vertical here, right? So here if you come to employee sheet, this is vertical lookup. So that's called VLOOKUP. Okay, I'm done with this VLOOKUP formula. Hope it is useful for you. Please subscribe this channel and share your comments and share your friends, whoever looking for Excel help, and I need your support. Okay, let us catch up in next video. Until then, bye bye.